Tembia no me kasa wo phone so ene de obekuma senti oso oba be hirayen na Dr. Kingsley Agyemang yenyina enim na Boakwa South Member of Parliament efa pomuden so a ehun nsem no obo ne homoden pa na ne contribution to academia nso oye nipa obena nso oye nipa nti ene ne twetwe nkomo kakra na de wabakuma si yebusa ne se the 90th year. Honorable Dr. Kingsley Agyemang. Good morning.
Good morning, Kojo.
Oh, yeah.
See, I'm ready.
I know. Baba be saying so say I
Pa.
Who you dear?
I'm Yadum. Kumasi Bruno Denyame. Denyame. The boss my to me near studio. He's a very good man.
Oh.
You've been in the industry for some years. Tell you dear. I am most of the time you can't cooperate now. You shouldn't depend on my corporate near corporate. Because you have a brand.
Yeah.
Tell you are back in the days. Now me a managing director of Unique Insurance. Not only managing director.
Oh.
You were the two young managing directors of insurance industry. No.
Nice.
It what can be a Juma.
Wow.
His words are his bonds.
That is deep. Now about Kumasi then no observe kakra.
Kumasi there. Me ba me friend crying back and no pay. Now last year, me Lord Feb VIP, na me try from No Plan Station. When you were na me see here, there 100 Ghana na almost Jimmy.
Okay.
So me could try tickets no me but Jimmy 120. And we say Laura Kwan so ye biem.
Okay.
Juma rekoso pa.
Na Parliament so is a Parliament so much as here mo gusu ye Juma.
Yeah debate no. Ya me adu me be next week Wednesday, we are getting to the appropriation.
Oh, okay. And what you say?
Budget, no. Say, we're out to the Wabakana Sem. I feel now, yes, dream. Yes, some no can, baby, and case or cano. As I quest what matter, ye fittings, no. And the Omukan Manifesto, money, the LP budget, and one common a ye no. Now for appropriation, no yeah, various agencies now has spending units, no. Obia the contact the 2025 with the account bed, ebeba. Now for yashiwe na asamba back to plenary. Na be pass.
Plenary ni yede.
Chamber.
Chamber baby ayi hu no.
Aye.
E bi ka ko echiro ko ye ni o ma.
No ye ko hwe paperwork agencies, no. We are the ABI Insura department here ma 1 million no send our expender no. That is the oversight. You know, tia hwehwe no nyina awia na fi abehwe 2026 no kan nyina boma na fi abachemba na yabe
but you say wo de mu ye meeting na mu nyina mutimi gitu mo ba na mo ba be kwa me hu sa asem ko
Parliament yankonda
sa
unza uhwe ye theater to be akasa ne kosoro.
Okay.
And I say where you crowd radio to be a voice pitch no. Because there be honorable members yankon toka.
Sa.
Yankon. Ebia ntiase bi na bi obi kona ne hutwi.
Na no me se mo ebia yi table. Won say iso ano ye ko dan ne asa aduane ye ni ne watam table bi na wakeka bom kakra.
Samfoni no ebia once in about 4 years bi na bibi sa kakra bi abefam but.
Am say yes am say parliament mo ye ha. Who say Parliamentary panel senior high school new me as yempre ye beko opokuru arene as a prempe college sembi na ekoso ho
me nyini sa e say nanu you cry professor Jamponi Dr. Dofo professor ne doctor me say entiase bi so hu foni bi etwa wo ba bi no enti when dey be fam kakra bi en sheda nye bibi there's nothing to worry about. Parliament still remains the institution
Emra no msemo ya benefit. As apart from the Yesika no dia can
benefit then is a society no na ensema e be benefit am yakoka akoshe homra. Because then the free consequences and an common e koso no. And yakoni yakope homra e dey ashe. It is a benefit the is a society no enkan the ese yetena nkyere ma yenkoka.
All right. So far budget ne den na obetimi akase we die.
We dey kwadwemba kwa mi chia mi wura o.
Anya chia mpacho.
Mi fincha kase mo open so mi wura. Jamaba, maybe fee, maybe Besson.
Budget no ato kan no then I was we dear but we do want to mean
Hey, budget you want some dear. Don't be too many don't mean your dear. Maybe I'd be much a tear for no matter. As I make cancer me free crime banner. Agyemang 120 VIP. And so last year, 100 Ghana.
Okay.
Mechania Bonso, Ecosro.
Okay.
Any means so. And no one me budget. San will be our shame you TV piano. I said to Namuno, and no on any budget. Where the paper, a literature. What I say. Now I said to Nanum to say, may my experience be no pay. About 3 o'clock now on your plan station. And I'm a far bus. Agyemang 120 VIP. Ticket I be try.
Normally I na fibiano, so incrementing the ana a type and answer.
Men can say a bonnet may come as sitting away. Me said yes, the atom on
the inflation on San Kevi.
Inflation, it's say.
Say, I'm more parliament, I'm more inflation, so I'm
a mere buffer.
Sanum, and your mind said I'm cost through Biblisa. To say, Momo dear Nana, I dear bet to be a near to you.
But me met 100 Ghana.
Sir, even if you be about 100.
Minim, but me met the end 100 Ghana.
But when you pay me baby back, could power between me, I say, wait, dear.
Budget.
If you are with the
it's a resetting growth, jobs and economic transformation. Inti ebia iremua irapo mudini kwa education ya kwa sectors they be say we die e shem kwan na say
but when you come on some show so
makum
okay
makum
maybe bibi ba ko pe dia wo say we die
mi hu ye
ni book nyina
mi hu ye no nche say bia bibi ni ho
sa kakraka nyina ba ko
ba de mahu ni de ebu abam
ba ko ti say chairman
ne say nursing training for allowance ya what is 300 million?
Sir. I don't know what is.
Wanka. Also, what is 300 million? That's about almost 40 something %. There's a say, and overcall, we are nursing training or local nursing training. Then you put doing your home for so as they say, be any pension happen. A hard drink.
That's interesting.
A hard drink.
I mean, Mammy Busau, a dinner air coso. So far they are observe one casa party mu then they cost then I say you because I hire sentiment but say a lot of people have party no but umutiti nyoma go koswa timi jama I'm just so unsu tibi MPP
the next ruling party MPP
MPP
oh so far so good MPP there sana da bia no be yo se bia we kira kasa unze uni dan no mu a na uti di da yo se bia ntoka David ebi edu bia na kasa na kosoro kakra mpa ebo kreto bia kono boko de du ba bia honhom ne ba ni aya mponchi ntokwa ye peja ne de si oboko na mi adom aprabo no ekoso 5 aspirants nyina yenyina enim de obewi ni de Dr. Agyemang Baumia na so eja obia kire na dwen kakra e de aprabo no ekofefefe so far so very good yeguso pa yeguso
nti bibia be fa de omo yenya ebeba di
ebewie fefe bonzi ebewie 31st January no na bibia ye boko okwadro ndi ebeko ne nuanu aka no ebe ho de ro
menim say we area e ya pomuden budget ne ba pomden amomo ne ebetem nkan yi anabo minta aka no buy almost 6 months ni de wan no from momo minority perspective no apomuden no wo kan say
ye mehu nanu ana nso wahu
me hu ye
na no ne hu say Ridge Hospital apomuden fo eja o ma free face o mo be yo mo adwuma abranti efidu baabi ana start say wo bro om koto sha doctor fo isu ana nurse fo isu na no nso Tamale teaching hospital neurosurgeon awabo na adwuma saa enso hu ya na nkrofo akoto ahye no so nkrofo bi ebi amanyofo ne timamufo na no menua panyin doctor wa ANyi wo konfanochi obi ano oje nkrofo nkwa na eja card lab kekenti bi ni konfanochi nti ohwere ne nkwa de amahu de because the health sector has experienced a lot of hostility for this year
brofo yenti
apomodin ensem no Asia basabasa ya kakra bibri afie wi
as atamfo nsembia
but as
atamfo nyoma bi
nyoma bi ense dem fa kwan mu se obi we ye adwuma ne enkofo beto so mo so bo mo a menyini se bibia also be a day as so the nipa ewu anka betumi aye den abon ban ne konfanoche doctor ya be born ni din ya cat lab unti na say ye de concrete okodu na waye den wawu owu no de hardware pa any response to accident and emergency any basic life support systems be NDC can one some more or manifesto mo into Ghana for to abama mo baye obo mo ni aguso e fa pomodin mo hardware pa
se kana ye de ma health budget 2026 no e so ani mami
run through ni e so ye nyina ni a ni afa free ho who say parties manifestos et se CVs a ye de kopedum na CV no so ye de baduma no ma wo a e say mark every year bia hwe se adwuma ne yede ma wo no et sen into ba policy mo e free be combined alignment index and on yede hwe 2025 any 2026 ayaka boom as against NDC manifesto obian NDC manifesto chapter 5 Kameka chapter 5 verse NDC manifesto I think page 102 to page 111 I want a couple mudin yede and say omu tizi 12 thematic areas of which omu yes on 18 policies 8 policies and 33 health interventions inti ebe the omu tumi aye inti ebe index no say the can say obe the about budget in 2025 and 2026 as expression of
the
kind times 100 and any weight no
all right
now kwadwo as film na reho say obi obey index ni bia no score obenya 28%. Na say for 2 years no NDC the country and so obey any oba there o
ewa
pomudin was score 28%.
Right.
There are a lot of them bebre manifesto no crowd there ingenuity
right
crowd ingenuity crowd both 2025 and the 2026 budget. So my member can run it for through.
We can do that.
Okay.
5 minutes.
It's my main be 10.
Yeah.
First, someone can train say on be establish clinics. Ewo markets nyina ne bus terminals. Minim say we hu bia. See a big clinic o KGT. And as a be clinic o Linda do be e baba ni gyina wo ntina abantim. Omo nye omo form sen kan. Omo kan say on be mobile vans. E be kokọ enkunkro crossing account to me nyeden enko ho no bi frɛ crossing constituency me hu bi ema budget ama 2025 2026 so anyway and because it was secondary school so near sick base and this manifesto can say so nya kwanya sick bay bia obe convert into a satellite clinic me sure say Prempeh college and opokuware and Kumasi high and a secondary school I was anti-mamu nyina ya santo ages no me sure say etumi convert almost sick base into satellite clinics. Again o can say obey implemented occupational health and safety standards all workplaces within the public sector in see o ka trend say na obi a o free stream and I say oni stream din kinta hu bia o ka say for the 5 northern regions no be establish a psychiatric hospital. Agyemang is in for 2025 year 2026 in so any budgeting again okay so obema Ghana a medical tourist center ni nyina ne say na anu aye maame o mampanyin abedi ho jojo ni uzi de ne kwa abuchire it's called obema Ghana hospital ni bia na say facility bi adum pempen so bia ko obi su fra abuchire obetumi aba Ghana be ayarehwe eno ye hu sa de no 2020 ye hu 2025 2026 budget so
okay
again okay say obema
we here the okinka your manifesto
say na ye say o manifesto
dem kan na wo share budget no
budget le wo mu a
okay
eno na wo kan mienu mu 2025 no 2026 the aba budget mu on the aba budget mu ene de omo kan ena omo score 28%. It will be allocation net say ma last one kan again okay say who's the insurance for we buy have also obey introduce risk exposure insurance for frontline workers. Yes, accommodate for our money more scans, X-rays, gamma radiations, no, any be A&E departments, no more human, and no more psychiatry for Janice and Manema, obey insurance, my budget, my 2025, any 2026. It is standing when who wait here, and almost score 28%. Now, this year budget, the money are more worrying, and it's said 2025 budget. Or make a provision of 40 million. Our case will be 2 nursing training colleges. Right. As we speak, there is no evidence that for those 2 nursing training colleges. And a dear who as will be adding is a gunity a nursing training allowance. What is so almost 300 million Ghana cedis. Now in the amount appropriating budget, no, as a here will be an. And a dear high and Ghana ha pie galamsey.
Okay.
Ye pay me ye community so galamsey effect. Echo pa me gidi say obi a wo tie bi o Rebecca say health.
Yeah.
If it's a galamsey any sinsanso e wo ya pomudi anka ye nha ye ho kra nya den.
Yeah.
Enka ho asem. Enti obia budget na estimate na appendix na total health budget is about 16 billion. The total budget for the whole Ghana is about 300 and something billion. We find out as expression. The budget is doing, when it comes to health, it is doing less than 6% of total budget estimate. Meanwhile, Abuja declarations was saying, say, or might be an as to a bambia for say, and yes, 15% of your national estimate should go to healthcare. And say that percentage in the day, now, yes, I'm say, and I care by ye and care health budget, a free out of the blue, constitutes even 30% of the whole estimates of the national budget. I mean, this and Kayasema, a Quebec boy in Sika, a bind the Asham Nusra. It's so intimate. Debbie. And nothing I'm yes at say. Didn't you a candle, only the pabone? A candle, a war. I didn't be any swadi who ye day. Emma Ghana Pomudia, Yajina Benyan Faso, Nisikana were chairman on a dear. Adaadaa.
Which is cousin a man, Nhyira.
16 million, 16 billion.
16 billion. Ghana cedis.
Ghana cedis. If you appendix, maybe you 22 billion. But whichever way, we do for 22 now, so which includes IGF, grants, and the mana, and the amounts are 22 billion. But the GOG now, Casa Direct in the 16 billion. And it's less than 6%.
No, sir, I'm asking this because every year there's a complaint about a new policies cry. I was here this baby shim it has always been like that. Baby, we want agenda 111 baby every training. So how different is this one?
Very different. It's say a brave woman. The galam say say how ya pomodino. I was also my woman so. Okay. I question rana COVID in the investment medical emergencies, communicable diseases never firm. Right. But COVID the buy a buying na also no. Ye peja ye home so. Emma Ghana for who say baby na yen share no. Afi ye share
Sika nanka unya ujidi senke betimi aboa.
Oh, healthcare dear. Any the eco substance abuse, opioids, red, Nissan, Manina, Pomodin, and then any part emergencies, so and its lifestyles are as a son of dear. But Pomodin can minimum 30 billion.
Okay.
That will mean that you are doing a little over 12%. Okay. And okay, between 10 and 12% of the whole budget. Kenya bad cry. So you make a provision of 30 billion and now 45 billion. And any share crank who say, who can say, yeah, dear, no, ya, near an American win. Who could him crack, quadru? No cray woman say young Coto jets. Covered by a young Casa, covered a bench, yeah, would you have Pomudin, Jania Coto presidential jets? Young Kaisa, a quiet crime for fra, MFA, a Peja Junction. You could track crime for frafa, a chill baby. You're prioritizing maybe kakra based on circumstances and the conditions are no mind.
You said John Mahama and Jai Expressway no jet no family health him.
No, you was idea to a courier.
Sir.
Quadro, idea you.
Ba yem person
me do kejetia. Me do kejetia. Ba da bi na me nko kejetia. Bi si wo anim ha ya. Me do Linda Doya ba CCA. Ananka sem bi si wo obi o terminal wa. Clinic aka so bi si wo trotro station bia. Say wonye. Why?
Say kakra.
Yama ufie na wo second year ni o. Na second year
4 years.
Okay, so 4 years okay, but yes. 4 years anka linearly no. Every year be anka is 25%. One straight line. It think 2 years you should be doing about 50% there about. Why you are doing 28? You are doing 28. It will be na draw. O say if you na o de me free crying. Aba Kumase. Halfway kabade stand kese ye wa run injiri aye keka kon kokko enye sa ukusu de mene na mo fanko barrier ne ayi
na se metwase nkontompo no mutwa
so kan so obeye we mana kwanya onya akwanya no waye mu oha mu nchemu do 28%. Enti nkontompo anaze no credit se kana fo ne ye ka kire mu
enti ususu so mutwa nkontompo.
Now, who is saying so because of 100%, 28%.
There be one can say when I am Pina walk at it.
Me then contempo dear, who can contempo? I won't say then can ye.
Me can over can say.
But of what Adaadaa. The Dofo Adaadaa and budget. I ratio munim,
sir.
Yes, I ratio munim.
Any budget in him.
Na ratio woman and come about now come with him is a gumiti. Health na yedi do kwa boy YMU. Education don't do muze gumiti. Now these are two social sectors who have new education. Me say yem fa de okan say obey nti yen to abema no. Ne yem fa to de oba ye oye. Budget ne kire say de obey o. Eno na odi sika ye dey ahyem. Enti we 2025-2026 budget ni enti ne half year, ne half term. Say mfie 9.
Yeah.
Ne half term ni. Ti ba this tank ye nu kran kesi edun finfin. But ye nu ho. Ye we first year no kra, but we are done with the second year. Into omo ya omo tron na mu mienu.
E bia no man say 2027 omo ko ni speed.
2027 omo ko ni speed. Na say the bonus speed be bring so the how be cause emergency so.
Sir. Say COVID-19 it mission ade hu say it me maybe.
Na say COVID-19 there na pandemic. Na yenim se eba eto
Bali se kope sika ye no
eto share nso enti there's a pandemic for from ra
there be ma but we dey yere ho se ebe ye ni
that's why we see wo
na wo hwe mu agenda 111 completion bi wo man
I was say we what 100 million bi kakra bi so be ye mpo eno ni asem no because gidi enim I was say there be 100 million bi so this can be ba so fema. So the 40 million share this year's budget 2025 so they could see 2 nursing training colleges. Be names November could see December 31st. And they have been 21st to December 31st. We to me see 2 nursing training colleges. To 40 million. 2025 budget.
Oh, but we see it.
Me who ye, you see it. We were since one kawate.
And they say then I say yet from the
health perspective. They say orato. Akando nyi nipa bone.
Okay.
Orato apomodin asem na nyama nyosem nsem. Sika wetwa ma health de ya pomodin de adabraka. Say you score 28% ewo health for 2 years enya kando na ye bibio. Eye Minister for Finance. Yesi wa bom and e be kire wado. Ma the health ministry abom dodo a ombehia for the health sector there, I would say that 2026 budget, the health budget is unhealthy.
My emphagidi be a baby.
Now, dear, and 28, I could die the be our exams. Muntia for Muntin, I could die the be our exams. Or score 28%. Okoye BC, and as Ukonya GDS, Obescoa 90 and 100. So, yes, I announce who ya you. Because when the trend, the performance, I won't continue. The weaknesses in here. Also, so expectation. Anyway, so it's a miracle, but me a CDR. And you better change.
O final word, Emma MPP for Mutio.
Oh, Santa Mandia had the appeared the morning said the Yano. I mean, chairman sentence bar for incoming Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer. Sentence my bedroom from you do call me from or number no ma. My baby, Mummy in a and cost went tight your party nechi. I said the baby be a Ghana for training. Said 2028 MPP ebe then ebe form the next government. Then Yamiadum so ebe then ebe form ya Ora Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ebe di.
Hey, what would he? Nyanyan to Abenwi.
Oh, there be 31st day coronation.
Say, Mahwai.
Dr. Bawumia. Oh, yes, sir. It's straightforward.
Nipa 5 or quad.
Oh, we're home. That's where the young questions are.
Dr. Bawumia.
Oh, opening laptop yes, many. And now by my shop. Oh, she expects ni bibia na me no cabo. And I'll say, oh, quadia chia baba yede. O baby tia. So, Bana way daily. My sister HPR. Obeto.
Debbie.
Aha, sana Bawumia di anete.
Nto no ana mo de ne ko.
Na so na Ghana fo nim no.
Obi anka ho bi.
Oh, Debbie. Say president ba ko pe na be flag bearer.
Eno ne Dr. Bawumia.
Pacho an. Ti yegyina be tie na chi.
Mo be kwa akoto ama no.
Ye wi ani asan tie na chi. Na enkunimdie kese aye den aba ma MPP. Bibia be fine.
So mo maka ne.
Omunya bomba be ka ho.
Omunya say.
Wo se ba ku na be wi ni we bracket ni mu. Ana.
For no nya sa said any.
Oh, munya. Bo mu wi a na obi agina ho mien kakra na fe asan ba no be ta eche ho megia no we de mesre ye ma ne nche 3 months leave na fe o de miamia ho
for so amoma ba.
Oh, there be omo beba. Omo beba bibia be fine. Ghana fo ani dae so. Because MPP ne ba ye tumi ma ne ye. We rev so man banyiku fo na de free national health insurance buy.
Yeah.
Our Professor Mills nyame fa ne crazy ye o share bo se oba utua premium ne ba ko pa. Untua bie ma ko sita ma bewu. Oba wantumi anye. Tiwenum de omo ye bo sham omo shemra omo shebo omo ntumi nye de. Eni so ntino ma score 28%.
Matse. Dr. Kingsley Agyemang. Yami Nhyira. Greetings to Akosia Food Diary, Patasi, Yami Nhyira, Vivian Jails.